Okay, so I'm back and I have not forgotten any of you and never will. Basically, since December last year, I have stopped to produce video on YouTube as I'm in search of a new passive income stream. For those that follow me on YouTube in 2021, you know that I have done pretty well on my trading and I withdraw a sum of money at the end of the year. And I have great support from a lot of you, and some of you mentioned I'm doing video to promote my courses on Udemy. But if you look back at the 59 video that I posted in 2021, I have never once mentioned about Udemy and include any of the link to any of my course. For those of you that supported me along the year, I thank you sincerely with my heart, and I really am. So in 2021, I make a resolution to start my YouTube channel and to monetize my channel, in which I have achieved it with more than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is YouTube requirement, and I work hard to produce the content on option trading, especially my live trade in real time. I have been transparent and open with my profit and loss. So this year I'm back to produce more content. Because of my success in 2021, I withdraw a portion of my trading profit to look for a way to make more passive income. And crypto is where I decided to go in. So if you follow me last year in YouTube, you will know that I have never once promote or sell anything on my YouTube channel at all. It is all about my trading strategy and live trade and my result. So a big thank you to all my subscribers, and I didn't really introduce myself in 2021 as I didn't really want to be selling anything back then. The objective back in 2021 was to grow my YouTube channel and to share my knowledge. So I didn't mention I was a online business person and I own multiple e-commerce stores, and I am also a option trader for 20 years, and I'm a Udemy instructor with 33,000 students and 28 courses. But this year, if you are still with me, we'll start learning crypto together. And I must say I'm a pretty newbie in crypto. So let's learn crypto together and learn how to make passive income together. You can learn from my mistake. And this is my Udemy channel. I have over 33,000 students right now and 2,500 positive review, and I have over 28 courses. And this is probably the first time in my YouTube channel that I mentioned about my Udemy profile. So how did my crypto journey start? My real hunting began in December 2021. As I know, I'm going to withdraw a big portion of my profit from my trading, so my objective was to create another passive income, something that I can withdraw and cash out monthly. As every one of you probably know, I do not cash out on my trading profit until the end of the year. So back in November and December, Bitcoin and Ethereum has hit an all-time high, with Bitcoin over $68,000 per Bitcoin. So that made me interested, but I was very clear on a few things. I did not want to be trading buy and sell on the crypto because I am already trading in the stock market. So we have all heard of crypto mining, and that is really what I wanted to do, because I didn't want to trade crypto buy and sell, so I wanted to be mining crypto. But what really is crypto mining? So that get me really thinking. Probably GPU mining was the first thing that come to mind. So I went on to a shop that is specialized in building a mining rig. The entry level at that time of a rig is 6,000 Singapore dollar, or about US 4,300, and the break even was 8 to 12 months depending on where the price is. And the seller was of course very bullish on it and say if I'm lucky and if Ethereum was to make a new high, I could have break even in 6 months. Ethereum back then was about 4,000 plus, and Ethereum right now is just about 3,000 plus minus. So I consulted a couple of friends to invest along with me. I wanted to build my first rig and learn the basic, as I'm a technical person, so I could easily build a second and third rig. But hosting of a rig of this size was a problem because none of my investor nor myself has a place to host. But I was determined to start my crypto mining journey as I view it as a passive income. So I consulted a friend in Malaysia that has been mining crypto 10 years ago. I wasn't sure if that time he is still mining. So I had a short conversation with him, and the conclusion was that GPU mining is over and Ethereum is changing from proof of work to proof of stake, and it could happen anytime in January 2022, and that was what I was told, which is basically Ethereum 2.0. So what exactly is Ethereum 2.0? I didn't know anything at all. What is proof of work and what is proof of stake? I didn't know any of this. And if I cannot mine Ethereum, can I just mine Bitcoin or any other coin? But Ethereum at that time was the most profitable, and nobody actually mined Bitcoin with GPU. They mine Bitcoin with acid machine. So what is an acid machine? I didn't know any of this. So I was about to give up on this mining thing. Then something came across. Then I heard about helium. Watching some YouTube on helium mining, I know I'm going to go in. For those that do not know helium, it was an IoT device that share your internet bandwidth and you get HNT in return, which is the cryptocurrency for helium. And the machine was small, compact, and it produced no noise, no heat, and that was the perfect thing that I think other than the GPU mining. So I was bent on getting in helium at whatever cost it will be. And looking at some of the YouTube video and some of the YouTuber, they are making somewhere around $200 to $300 on a helium miner. And the machine that I bought was $1,200 Sing dollar, and it was about 900 USD. But I'm going to go in no matter how much it costs. But that was a disaster. Along the way, I invested in various other projects. Some I'm losing on some of the project and making really well on some project. So as we go along the journey this year, I will disclose all the project in my future video. I did make a lot of mistakes in my crypto journey, even though I watched a lot of YouTube video and some of the mistakes that other people do, but I have made mistakes along the way. If I could have done it all over again, then I will avoid all the node project. I will discuss more on this in other videos as I go along. And I will be more selective in choosing a DeFi project. Most of this project in the DeFi world is actually a Ponzi scheme that can pay you from 1% to 10 or even 15% a day. Not a month, but a day. So if something sounds too good to be true, then it probably is. That is what we are taught. But I actually did make some money from some of the Ponzi scheme, and now as I learn more, I get better at choosing which project to go in and which project to avoid. Just before I end the video, I just want to shout out with a big thank you to all my subscribers. And if you have watched this video, please subscribe and follow along me on my journey into passive income for 2022. And just so you know, I'm still doing my trading and still doing my real strategy, and I will release video on my trading when there's a new strategy and opportunity. My future video may contain some referral and affiliate link, but you do not have to click on it. So stay tuned for my next video. I'll probably start with helium and why it has failed me badly. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you.